Hi everyone, welcome back to the quiz. In today's video, I'll show you how to resolve a common issue where your USB drive or external drive is not showing up when you plug it into your PC. For example, here in the File Explorer, I'm not seeing the USB drive I just plugged in. All I see is my C drive and other drives, but not the USB drive. If you're having the same issue, then keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it. Let's right-click on the Windows icon and select Disk Management. Here, you'll see all the drives connected to your computer, even the ones not showing up in the File Explorer. Here, we can see the main C drive and the other connected drives. And below that, here is the USB drive that is not showing up. Now, sometimes the drive is missing a drive letter, which prevents it from appearing in the File Explorer. To fix that, right-click on the USB drive and let's select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Then click on the Add button. And from the drop-down menu, let's select a drive letter from the list. Then click on OK. As soon as you do this, Windows will assign the drive letter and the USB drive should now be visible and accessible in the File Explorer. And now you can double-click on it and open it and use it normally. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.